Look at all the birds coming in. Put a new bird bath out. Blackbirds are coming in. It's a hot sunny day. See, they know we're bird friendly because we have my parakeets right there. Oh, oh goodness. Oh, it's a lot of birds. All the way down back there. This is my yard sale today.
There's so many birds over there.
They're awesome. They're like, hey, they got parakeets. They like birds. We're safe over here. Got the cats locked up.
Worms up like no problem.
I mean, this is awesome. I wish I had the loaf of bread.
Right.
Ooh, I do have that sandwich over there. Yeah, I threw bird seed out all over the place yesterday that my birds didn't eat.